So currently we are on our way to McLeod. So we had this whole night bus journey, but the bus journey was so good. I slept so well. As you can see, I just woke up just now. So it will take another 20 minutes to reach our destination. So yeah, we are on our way. And the bus was literally swinging left and right, as you can see right now. Hi guys, good morning. So finally we have reached McLeodganj today in the morning. So the bus trip was really good. I slept overnight. I was so tired because it was like non-stop. We reached Delhi, and then from Delhi we traveled to few places, and after that from Delhi we took the bus. So it was like a non-stop, and I was so tired. I slept off. And in middle we had dinner like in a dhaba, so I had a plain dosa because I wanted to keep it light. So after that we got dropped in McLeodganj bus stop, and after that we came over here. It's a hostel, I'll show you around. So we are currently in a hostel, and the place is really good, and I'm just sitting because like the hostel is so at the higher level. Like we had to walk so much. Like I was like, dude, like this is like shit, man. Like the weather is nice, the view is beautiful, but the way, like the amount of walking you need to do, and oh my god, like it was like at few minutes like I felt like I was not able to breathe and all, so it was pretty bad. So
মনীষাটাকে বললাম যে একটা ওষুধ দে, বিকজ কালকে রাত্রেবেলা ঠিক করে খাওয়া হয়নি, আজকে সকাল থেকে কিছু পেটে পড়েনি, তো এটা ভালো করে যাতে হজম টজম হবে। মনীষা এটা দিল।
Vicky, we will have breakfast.
I have just popped an antacid, so
that she
my
can
bowel system functions fine.
actually yeah, because so this is the place we are staying in, and now we'll go for breakfast. Here are our luggage. So as we couldn't check in, so all our luggage is over here. Let me wear my specs so I can't see shit. So as you can see, it's pretty empty. Wow, this is our place. So we're going to sit over here, have food. The coffee is too good. The coffee is delicious. I don't have tripod, so this is the setup. I'm having the most basic food. I am loving this aloo paratha.
খুব হেভি আলু পরোটা, পেট মানে ভরে থাকবে। আমার দুপুর অবধি তার খিদে নেই। একদমই বেশি অয়েলি না। সঞ্জিতা বড় কাজটা করে ফেলেছি, মানে পেটটা পারিনি।
So now I'm getting ready as we are gonna go out for sightseeing, and we didn't got our room, so we were pretty early, and so we are just getting ready. So yeah, I'm using my Makeup Revolution foundation as it is bomb and really good. As you can see, my skin looks so good. Like the day I have stepped into McLeod, I don't know how my skin is looking so smooth. Like all my breakouts that I was having in Kolkata was like literally disappearing. I don't know how this happened. I don't know why Sanchita looks so blanked out. I have no idea, but I guess I don't know. For my eyes, I used the most affordable eyeshadow palette, and it was so pocket friendly. I carried the Mars eyeshadow palette for my whole trip, and it's that neutral, my go-to eyeshadow palette. I love it. And then I went with the blue eyeliner. Oh my god, it looks so sick. I loved how it looked. And then yeah, I went with some lipstick, and then we were almost done. And after the lips, I did my hair, and we looked snatched, girl. Yes, like I really loved how I looked. I mean, I was so happy, and the dry shampoo saved my hair.
Told me that I always had to be good, but being good always bring problems, it's true. So I learned it, and now I know I don't wanna play God. Maybe I'm crazy, but I'm not wrong, baby, it's true, yeah. What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back, what if I'm not good?
So we are now in Kangra Fort.
যত গর্ত আছে যত পাথর আছে সবার ওইগুলো নিয়ে ওটার উপর দিয়ে এই জায়গায় এই বনি ফোন দে ভাই এইটা অসাধারণ.
This view is just so beautiful and so stunning. So now we are at Dharamshala Stadium. It looks so beautiful. The view, everything, ambience was so beautiful. We clicked a few pictures and then we head out, and then we went to a museum. And so now we have entered the museum, and looks pretty good. Can you see that India thing? No, that thing there. It's so pretty. Let's just go.
I know I don't wanna play God. Man, I'm crazy, but I'm not wrong, baby, it's true, yeah.
So now we are going to the Church of St. John in the wild something. We got stairs. Actually, it's a tomb, it's a melody. Okay.
সিরিয়াসলি বল, আমার না এই জিনিসগুলো খুব ভয় লাগে।
And this is giving me that creepy feeling. The car. Oh. Hey, नाम तुले दिए. Hi guys, so currently we are in the sunset point at McLeod, and this is just giving us that golden hour skin, like
If I'm not good, what if I'm not good? If you never love me back, what if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back.
so we are at the sunset point to see the sunset, and after that we will go. So now we are at the Tibetan marketplace in McLeod. So I like this thing, but they are not letting us enter in this monastery because of the COVID. But it's so ये क्या ब्राउनी है?
हाँ जी ब्राउनी है, ये ड्राई ब्राउनी है, ये चॉकलेट ब्राउनी है।
ये क्या है?
ड्राई, ये भी इसमें भी चॉकलेट डल जाएगी सिर्फ। भाई आइसक्रीम सिजलिंग करके मिलता है।
नीचे देखो गोल 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 वाला।
So now we are having Oreo cheesecake and blueberry cheesecake. Huh? Good? Nice?
Tasty.
Good morning, guys. This is day 2 in McLeod, and I just woke up yesterday. It was such a tired day. Like, I was like, it is like so chilled, and I haven't had any coffee or anything. But can you just see it's just so beautiful, like waking up to this. And I think my skin loves, winter season more because my skin haven't been oily and makeup stays long, skincare is working great. Like, I'm loving how my skin is feeling in this climate. Like, oh my god, I just so love that. So yeah, I like it. So yeah, this is the view from my hostel. Like, you can sit over there, chill and chat, and then this is a swing. You can just chill over here also, and then this is the whole view. It's so pretty. I mean, the greenery is just the best, and it is freezing outside. Like, it's so cold. It's very cold over here. Like, at least for me, it's pretty cool. Just waiting for them to get up, and then we will go and have some breakfast. So yeah, I'll see you in breakfast then. Sol, Tiranga Manali ta tinta alada. Tinte khub alada special. Na boste hoye gache. Abhi ekটু হয়ে গেলে আমার ভালো হতো না আর খাবো না। হ্যাঁ এইবারটা নিয়ে আসবি? হ্যাঁ কত করে নিয়ে আসবি মনে করে নিয়ে আসবি। So now we will go for actual trekking. I'm just waiting for my friends to come, and like आज तो बहुत चलना पड़ेगा. I don't know what will happen because it's kind of we have to walk a lot, and I'm not habituated to walking. Like, previously I was, but after COVID, when I sat home, I like stopped walking. So let's see what happens. Just look at this. We're just walking through this trail. It's a very steep road. Yeah. Ha. This was the road we are coming in. So now we have reached to Shiva Cafe. Now gonna cross that one to go to Trivandrum. This is scary as fuck. It doesn't look scary in the video, but it is hella scary. So I tried to walk, but I couldn't. So from where I'm standing, it's almost 3 hours walk from here, and it's not a plain walk. It is like a steep walk, and the stairs are really, really bad. If you can see on the top, like, these are the stairs. You have to climb like this to the top, and it is 3 hours. And I quit because I was really not feeling well, and I was like, I cannot do it. And I decided to stop because I came all the way, but I didn't go anywhere. That's a bad feeling. But if I go on top, I may not be able to return today, and they are planning to return today itself, which is for me next to impossible. Yeah, so can you see, it's very rocky, very dangerous. It's dangerous as fuck. So we have completed our visiting to McLeod. We stayed for 2 days over there. So currently we are at Bir, and this is the hostel we are staying, and it is very pretty. It is beautiful. It's like very colorful and very nice. So currently we are in Bir. Actually I was planning Actually, I was planning to go for paragliding, but I could not because I was vomiting all the way when I was traveling here, and I got very, very sick like from yesterday. I was constantly vomiting, so I understood that if I do paragliding, my health will get more worse. So that's why I did not. So I came to the hostel, and this is our room. So this is the dorm we are staying at. So that is mine, and that is Sanchita. So yeah. So currently we are in this cafe, and I really forgot the name of the cafe where we are. I'll mention in my link if I get. Next day we are actually going to Kasol. We stayed in Bir just for 1 day.
They told me that I always had to be good, but being good always bring problems, it's true. So I learn it, and now I know I don't wanna play God. Maybe I'm crazy, but I'm not wrong, baby, it's true, yeah. What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back, What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back, What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back, What if I'm not good? What if I'm not good? If you never love me back.
In Kasol we were for 4 days and 3 nights. So the day we reached, we were just taking rest. The next day we went for the Khirganga trek, and today is the last day. We went to Tosh, we went to Manikaran, and this is currently the the Gurdwara in Manikaran, and it is beautiful. We went inside, but we couldn't click any pictures inside. So this is the outer view, and it is very beautiful. So today we are in Manali, and we just now arrived. It is very rainy, and these are like all the clouds and mountains, and the view is just beautiful. My hands are freezing, but so beautiful. Like, this is the view from my balcony straight up, and you can see it is just like stunning. So I want to show you the room. This is our room. We have kept the luggage here, but this is the bed, and especially this is the main. We have a room on top, and the view is just beautiful.